Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to open mic on Roblox. Open a Roblox app guys, and I'll show you how can you open Roblox mic. Just tap on the three dot over here and go to settings, go to in privacy, and after this guys you have to tap on the mic toggle button here to open mic. Just tap on it next to the microphone and tap on enable. After enabling the mic from here, if you want to use mic in the game, let's hope do that. So once you are in the game guys, now if you want to use your mic in the Roblox, you can see the mic. You will get the mic here in the game after enabling the game in the privacy microphone in the privacy. Just tap on this mic over Avatar's head, and now you can use it. You can see the variation in the mic. So that's how you can use mic in the Roblox game. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And that's also called voice chat feature.